So here we go. What sort of questions are going to come up on the non-calculator paper? Well, this type of question they seem to just love. You're given a bit of information and then you've got to do something with it. For example, they'll ask you to do something like this. Look at the information you've been given and think about what's happened in the question. How has this changed? Pause, have a think, have a go. Okay, hopefully you've had a go. So what if I'm looking at this bit? They've divided it by 100, so you've got to divide your answer by 100. Okay, let's do another one, slightly trickier. Again, look at it, have a go, pause, then check your answer. Okay, so here they've times the original one by 10, was 236, now 2360. Then they've divided this one by 100. So I've times by 10, but divided by 100, that means you've got an end result of dividing by 10. And now for something just a little bit more complicated. Okay, have a go, pause the video, then check your answer. Now we've moved things around, so now you're starting with the bit they give you and you're dividing it by this bit, which means in your answer it's got to be this bit, so I'm just going to write that in straight away. Now what's happened? So this bit has become 10 times smaller, so I'm going to expect this to get 10 times smaller, except I'm divided by a number which has been made 100 times smaller. Now if I'm dividing by 100 times smaller, I would expect my answer to get 100 times bigger. So we've got to combine those results together. This bit is 100 times smaller, but then this was already made 10 times smaller, which means you've got kind of a net result of this bit getting 10 times bigger. So your final answer would be 1120. Probably a good way of checking this is play around with it a little bit and then check your answer. Well, if I divide 2643 by 2, I'm roughly going to get 1000 and a bit. So I know my answer feels right.